Good day everyone. I am Crispol Diamakna from BSED Math 3A. So now let's continue our topic. First literacies. Art, creative, creativity, play, constructive meaning making. Mac, MacRD and Wright asserted that educator should make deliberate connection with children's first literacies of art and play. A recommended new approach to early childhood pedagogy would emphasize children's embodied experience through drawing. This would include a focus on children's creation, manipulation, and changing of meaning through engage its interaction with arts materials. Doris 2001 through physical, emotional, and social immersion. Anderson 2003. So, according to them is um, as an educator, kailangan po natin um, i- i-introduce sa mga children yung arts and play. So, hindi lang to po basta-basta ng paglalaro lang or pag-drawing-drawing. So, kailangan tulungan rin natin ang isang bata na maging connected sa arts para mapalawak yung kaisipan nila or pananaw nila yang sa mga bagay-bagay. And may through that kasi may chance sila na maging creative, ganyan, mag-explore pa sila lalo sa mga ibang gawain. So, next, these authors propose four essential components to developing or designing curriculum. Um, so, the first one, imagination and pretence, fantasy, and metaphor. A creative curriculum will not simply allow but will actively support play and playfulness. The teacher will plan for learning and teaching opportunities for children to be at once who they are and who they are not, transforming reality, building narratives, and mastering and manipulating signs and symbol system. So, in this first essential po is, sinasabi dito is, uh, ang creative curriculum daw, hindi lang siya basta magsusupport, pero um, ito ay may malaking impact sa mga children. So, kapag creative po yung natin, ang curriculum natin ay uh, mabibigyan natin ng chance yung mga student na mapalawak yung kaisipan nila. And kasi habang maganda kasi yung or creative yung binibigyan nating lesson, mas may enjoy yung mga estudyante natin. So, next, active menu to meaning making. In a classroom where children can choose to draw, write, point, or play in the way that suit their purpose and mood. Literacy learning and arts learning will inform and support each other. So, kapag dito sa second components is kapag mas marami daw yung bigyan po dati daw ng chance yung mga estudyante na pumili ng gusto nilang gagawin. Like example is yung isang estudyante goods lang siya sa arts, so bigyan natin siya ng arts ay mas i-explore pa natin siya or expose pa natin siya sa arts. Kasi kapag mas gusto kasi ng bata yung isang bagay, ay mas mabibigyan pa niya ng mas mapapalawak niya pa yung idea niya doon sa bagay na yon. So, next is intentional holistic teaching. A creative curriculum requires a creative teacher who understands the creative processes and purposefully supports learners in their experience. So, ang creative curriculum po daw ay kailangan rin ng isang creative na teacher. Kasi hindi ma-deliver ng maayos ng teacher yung lesson kung hindi rin siya yung creative, hindi ma-deliver ng teacher yung creative curriculum kung hindi rin siya sa sarili niya creative. Kasi mahirapan siya magsumabay doon sa curriculum na ganon. So, kailangan talaga is kapag creative yung curriculum or yung curriculum, dapat creative rin yung teacher na magtuturo nito. So, lastly is co-player, co-artist. Educators must be reminded of the importance of understanding children as current citizens. So, dito ay sinasabi, dapat tayo na teacher is ini-include rin natin yung children or estudyante natin na isang citizens rin ng ating ginagalawang lugar. With capacities and capabilities in the here and now. So, dapat bigyan rin natin sila ng pantay na turing. So, that's all lang po ang aking report at maraming salamat sa pakikinig.